The singing in the bus?
Yeah.
Okay, in the beginning not, because it was music for younger people. And I went back to the DJ of the bus and I asked very kindly if he could change the style of the music a little bit. I think then he remembers that I played 1 year in Besiktas, Istanbul, and we had some Arabian music. And so everybody starts to dance a little bit. So this was, I was lucky that they changed a little bit. But I was also glad when we are at the hotel, I could hear my own music. And yes, I am relaxed because we enjoy our time, and I think you could see this in the semi-final. And this will not stop after the match. So it's a little bit different because we saw that a lot of spectators at home watched us, and we know that we did a good job for our country and every player, and this helps you with relaxing a little bit faster.